Ew, there was condoms and a G-string. We're Nikki and Terry. We love to travel and do DIY projects. Join our adventures as we just carry on. Our next DIY project is a truck camper conversion into our own DIY travel trailer. Hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any upcoming videos. Previously.
Well, I made it easy, like I said, so right here, it's just weld a bumper to it, cap it off. That's it. Simple.
Day 2, let's go. Lots of garbage.
Alright. Look the same.
We took out the water tank. Big stinky pillow. Pee funnel. Oh hey, there is a table. Curtains are in pretty good shape. The bed area definitely needs to come apart. We need to take it apart anyway for our plans to work. Stuff in the oven. Cushions are definitely needing a wash. Want to keep the lace if I can. Fabric. Garbage pile. More fabric. More fabric. Duffel bag. This cupboard has pillows. Pillows. More pillows. Garbage in there. Lot of junk. More junk. Look, every camper has a thing of cards.
PC fairies. That's awesome.
There's a lot of those.
Let's see what else.
Look at all the fabric.
Oh, wow. Weird.
There was also condoms and a G-string right there too.
Don't mention it to anybody. I wish you never mentioned it to me.
Oh, thanks.
Used condom.
Oh, this one's brand new.
Yeah.
Well, we
Looks
took all
like
the
there's a
guy's
lantern in there. And
Oh, hey. That's a
another
flip-flop.
lantern.
Oh no, that's a lantern.
Two
Huh?
lanterns.
I don't really know. Anyways. That's rusty. Never mind.
The roof is actually, I think, pretty good.
I think so too.
There's a lot pretty good here.
Muscle cream.
The fridge isn't too bad. Hey, remember these bowls from when you were kids?
I do it. Right now. Thanks for advantage.
Hey, tarp thing.
Hey, that's a shower curtain.
That is it.
I think.
Yeah, you're right.
No.
Well, it's got ties on it.
there's a lid for it.
The fridge has a stain. Have to try and get the stains out of the lace. That look okay.
Oh, well, that's just the decide pile.
Hey.
Wow! Check this.
Okay.
You gotta save this.
Oh hey!
This is sweet.
That's for us.
Yes.
Awesome. Those are like $50.
They are not cheap. Nice.
So what are we gonna put with this though?
Oh, just the bumper will be the step. Brand new. Oh hey, here's
Oh hey, look,
all the
shotguns.
tie downs. And
Oh hey, that goes up there.
another charged fire extinguisher. Doesn't fit. Oh, maybe. This should stay with it.
Yeah.
All the tie down stuff. Oh hey, check it out. Jack oil. Man, we got everything here. There's got to be a way to open this. Yeah, there is. Cushion. I just need to lift the lid to get this stupid hose out. Brand new. Heavy duty, kink resistant.
This person sure like to do crafts.
What's this?
Oh hey, see what's in here? Auto safety.
Nice. Just in case. Huh.
What?
Fully packed. Got your safety. Here's your fire starting stuff. Sticks.
Okay, it's going in my SUV then.
VIXIA flat. Thermal blanket.
Yeah, it's going in my SUV then.
Yeah, good deal.
Well, here's 3 of the covers that are missing.
We're going LED though, you're right, those are kind of
Here's what we have to work with now with all the garbage out.
which is circa 1970s. Oh, hey, spare one. I forgot. You mentioned you found those. Yes.
Here's another one.
Razor blades. I've seen those one. They're mostly Pentax. Christmas light bulbs.
If you liked our video, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss our next video. Thanks for watching!